Hello friends. Have you ever found yourself frequently configuring our Mx210 modules? Which interface do you usually use? Personally, I often use micro USB, but that's just a rhetorical question. Let's consider a different scenario. Imagine you've purchased 10 Mx210 modules and you want to connect them all to a single network with a controller. For this, you'd need to change the network settings on each module. Typically, you might connect to each one individually using USB or Ethernet to set these up. But what if you had not just 10, but even more modules? Don't worry, it's actually much simpler than it seems and you won't need any USB cables at all. Here's how it works: connect all the modules to one network and hook them up to a computer. First, launch the akYtec Tool Pro software. And press IP address to assign new IP addresses. Enter the settings you want to apply to the modules by default. These settings are suggested to be in the same subnet as the computer. All that's left to do is to briefly press the service button under the cover of the FRIST device. And here it is. Your module with its newly changed network settings will now appear in the configurator's list of detected devices. If you then press the service button on another module, it will be assigned the next IP address in sequence. Again, if you then press the service button on third module, it will be assigned the next IP address in sequence. This simple method allows you to quickly set up network settings for a large number of modules and significantly reduce the time spent on initial configuration and setup tasks. By the way, let us know in the comments what's the largest number of input-output modules you've installed at a site. And as always, you can find more detailed information about the Mx210 series in the description below. See you next time.